What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about top 6 easy apps to make money online and you can get paid with PayPal. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Happy to have you here. Make sure you become a part of the family by subscribing to this channel. Turn on that bell notification and also make sure you give this video some love. And let me know in the comments where you guys are watching this from. I always want to know where my videos are trending all over the world. So put in the comments your location, city, town, state, anywhere. I definitely would like to know. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome back. As always, you know what to do. Show some love as always. So again, by the end of this video, you guys are going to know about the 6 apps, the easy apps that you can use to make money and get paid via PayPal. All right. So the first one, as you can see, it's on my screen. It's called Panel App. Now, what Panel App is, it's all about rewards and sweepstakes. So you could take surveys, you can earn points, or you can redeem points. So the apps that I'm going to mention, you can either use them on your Android or on your iPhone. All right. So that's a good thing. And that's the beauty about this video. So stay tuned to watch all of it all the way to the end. And also, if you guys are looking for my #1 recommendation of how to make money online and generate passive income, where you can make some money throughout the week, every single day, make sure you check out the link in the description as well. All right, so we're going to go into things right away. And the next app is called Swag IQ. And what Swag IQ is, it's like a trivia game show where you test your knowledge to win huge cash prizes. So it's free. It's absolutely free. So download it again on your iPhone or on your Android phone. So how do you play, right? It's all about taking trivia, right? Trivia questions and just answer them. And of course, as you can see over here, if you have Roblox, right? If you get one wrong within 10 seconds, you'll be running for the grand prize. So as I say, don't give up. So if you like to, do some trivia where you're just coming home from work or going to work, or you have some spare time throughout your day, feel free to hop on this, get some points, and you can cash it out using PayPal. So that's great. The next one is Dash. Now, Dash is pretty awesome. Dash is automatically, it's not even just points or coupons, as it mentioned here. You could get cash if you introduce this to your friends or your family as well. So you can earn right here, a sweet $5 per person that signs up. So how does it work? Again, you have to connect your card securely, either a credit or a debit card. I'm not sure if you can use one of those Walmart cards or those gift cards. It's not going to work. So it has to be like a legit card that you have to connect it to. You can shop and dine and you can get cash back. But just for referring this to someone, so if you got like 10 people in your family, 10 times 5, that's $50 easily if they just sign up for this and connect it right away. So it's a great way how you guys can make some money for any holidays that are coming up or any special occasion or friend. And it's good if you're in school. It's even better. Like, take this app and go and just blast it all over the school compound. Get people to sign up and earn some money at the same time. So it's great. And again, you can transfer your cash to your bank accounts or with PayPal. So it's good that you can get your money through PayPal. The next one app is called Wiggle, right? Wiggle, you watch live TV, enjoy streaming, and get rewards. So you can download it, which is pretty cool. So if you like to watch a lot of movies or some little videos, or as you can see down here, like The Voice, Modern Family, episodes, they will give you rewards and you could get cash as well. So which is, pretty cool that you can make money. And the reason why how these apps work, because these huge companies are paying these apps a portion. So what these apps are doing, they want to get traffic onto their app. So they're going to pay people just to go on there and spend as much time just to get views on these things, because that's how they get paid. So if you're probably wondering, okay, why would they want to give away free money? Because these huge TV shows are paying these apps just for them to get people in front of their product and that kind of stuff. So that's how it works. So next one is Survey to Go. So if you like doing survey, this is a great app for you guys. Again, download it. You can get, paid, made. Okay, there was some reviews. Somebody said they made $3 in their first payment. Got my first payment, and I got reimbursed for my awesome cupcakes. And you could go through here and you could see someone got 1045. So these apps, you can make money here and there, right? And believe it or not, it adds up. So if you can make some money during the day, over the space of a month or so, you can easily rack in $300, $400, $500 just by using these apps. And you just got to put in the work as always, right? No work, no pay. That's how it is. The final app that I'm going to be talking about is called App Trailers, where you can actually watch movies, movie trailers, commercials, all that kind of stuff. And you could redeem cash. You can get prizes. If you look down here, it tells you exactly what you need to do. And you can redeem all these things, right? You can use the points to get a gift card, Amazon, Sephora, Foot Locker, iTunes, gift card, all that kind of stuff, right? So as you can see, you can get these things. And what you could do, you can get the gift cards, and then you could trade those gift cards to get cash. But of course, if it's $10, you're not going to get the full $10. I have some more videos about that, how you can redeem gift cards as well for cash. So make sure you check out my videos. All right. So thank you guys for watching. And again, looking for my number one recommendation of making money online, check out the link down below. I hope these top 6 apps, easy apps, how to make money online helps through PayPal. All right. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.